भगवान अपि तत्रैव बलदेवन संजितः अपश्यन् निवसन गोपान इंद्रिय जाग कृतोद्यमान. Indriya jaga kritoddama. According to Vedic system, there are different types of sacrifices to offer respect and obediences to the demigods. Just like the sun is supplying light, the moon is supplying moonshine. Similarly, Indra is supplying the cloud. Similarly, there are different demigods, and in the Bhagavad Gita, Devan, Jajayanti, Devu Bhavan, these things are described. In the Vedic literature, it is prescribed that you should satisfy these demigods by sacrifice. Devajaja. So, in the village of that Vrindavan, the father of Krishna, foster father of Krishna, Nanda Maharaj, and his associates, they were yearly performing the Indraja. Because they were agriculturists, they depended on rains, sufficient rains, and he had many cows. Nanda Maharaj was a foreign man. He agriculture and cows. The mercantile people, the Vaishya community, they are recommended three things. Krishi, Goraksha, Vanijyam. Krishi means agriculture, and Goraksha means cow protection, and Vanijyam means trade. So Nanda Maharaj belonged to the Vaishya community. So he was a well-to-do man, a very rich man, and he had 900,000 of cows. 900,000 of cows he was protecting. So they were preparing just to satisfy the demigod Indra, because he was supposed to supply, not supposed, actually he supplies rains sufficiently. Without rains you cannot have successful agriculture. So they were preparing that sacrifice. So this preparation was being observed by Krishna and Balaram.
बाबा, आप इंद्र के लिए यज्ञ क्यों कर रहे हैं?
हमें इंद्र को प्रसन्न करने के लिए हर साल ये यज्ञ करना ही पड़ता है ताकि वो हमें बारिश दें।
वैसे ही जैसे हर वर्ष हमें महाराज कंस को कर चुकाना पड़ता है।
अरे नहीं बच्चों, इंद्र देव बुरे नहीं हैं, वो तो बारिश के देवता हैं। पानी जीवन के लिए अति आवश्यक होता है, इसीलिए हम हर साल यज्ञ के द्वारा इंद्र देव की पूजा करते हैं।
परंतु बाबा, वो तो उनका कर्तव्य है, वो तो भगवान विष्णु के आदेश का पालन कर रहे हैं।
देखो कृष्णा, ये बहुत पुरानी प्रथा है और हमें इसे तोड़ना नहीं चाहिए।
बाबा, फिर हम धरती की पूजा क्यों नहीं करते जो हमें सब कुछ देती है, और सूर्य की जिससे जीवन मिलता है, और यमुना की क्यों नहीं?
कृष्णा, तुम सही कहते हो, लेकिन ये संभव नहीं है। हम सदियों से चलती आ रही इस प्रथा को अकस्मात ही तोड़ नहीं सकते बेटा।
परंतु बाबा, क्या हमें आंखें बंद करके प्रथाओं को मान लेना चाहिए? वो तो भगवान विष्णु हैं, जो इंद्र और सभी देवताओं को शक्ति प्रदान करते हैं।
कृष्ण बिल्कुल सही कह रहा है।
ज्ञात्या गत्या च कर्माणि जनयम अनुतिष्ठन्ति विदुषा कर्म सिद्ध स्यात् तथा न अविदुषो भवेत्। Whether this is a superstition, let's see how Krishna is speaking. whether it is a superstition or it has got some actual effect. Then you should not do anything, religious rituals, under superstition. That is the recommendation of Krishna. Krishna does not like that people should perform anything under superstition. Suppose if you are sacrificing, if you are doing some ceremony, you must have thorough knowledge that there must be the result. There must be the result. Just like there are many sacrifices recommended in the Vedic literature. Putrishti Jagya. Putrishti, suppose a man has no son, and if he performs that sacrifice, he will have his son. That is a fact. Similarly, so many things there are. So, any rituals, religious rituals, now according to Krishna, how practical he is, he says that no religious ritual should be performed without practical effect. Without practical effect. People have become atheists because in the modern age there are so many rituals in all religions, not only Hindu religion but Christian religion, but they say simply formalities, there is no effect. There is no effect. The such sort of rituals, religious ceremony, is not recommended by Krishna. You must actually the effect.
सभी देवता भगवान विष्णु के आदेशानुसार काम करते हैं, और वैसे भी वेदों में इंद्र के लिए अलग से यज्ञ का विधान नहीं है।
हम ग्वाले हैं, हमारी संपत्ति हमारी गायें हैं, और वो भोजन के लिए निर्भर करती हैं इस गोवर्धन पर्वत पर। हम भी सभी चीजों के लिए गोवर्धन पर निर्भर करते हैं, इसलिए हमें गोवर्धन की पूजा करनी चाहिए, ना कि इंद्र की। मेरे वृंदावन के प्यारे मित्रों, हम सबको गोवर्धन पर्वत का हृदय से आभारी होना चाहिए। आप स्वयं ही देख लीजिए गोवर्धन पर्वत के इन चमत्कारों को, जो वृंदावन का जीवन है। हमारी गायें इसके जंगलों की घास चरती हैं और हमें मीठा मीठा दूध देती हैं। इसके झरने हमारी प्यास बुझाते हैं। इसके मैदानों में हमारी फसलें और फल उगते हैं। इसकी लकड़ी से बने घर हमें सुरक्षा देते हैं। मित्रों, हमारा जीवन इंद्र पर निर्भर नहीं करता, बल्कि गोवर्धन पर्वत पर निर्भर करता है।
कृष्ण ठीक कहता है। आयुष्मान भव।
ये सब इंद्रदेव की नहीं, गोवर्धन की कृपा है। इसलिए मित्रों, सब लोग अपना अपना चढ़ावा एकत्रित करें, हम सब गोवर्धन की पूजा करेंगे।
That when Krishna talked like this, then his father agreed not to perform the sacrifice, because all the inhabitants of Braja, Vrindavan, they are so much fond of Krishna. Whatever Krishna will say, they will accept. So although Krishna was a boy, so he implored his father and other elderly gentlemen present there that there is no need of performing this sacrifice. So they stopped sacrifice. As a result of this stopping, Indra became very much angry, and there was torrents of rain, incessant rain, and very vehemently. So the whole village and whole tract of land comprising the Brajabhumi, they become overflooded, and the cows and the animals and the people become too much afflicted. So they had no other source. They approached Krishna, protect us. Krishna protect us. So at that time Krishna said, yes, I will give you protection. So he was, although a boy of 6 or 7 years old, he lifted that hill. That is, we are, if any time you go to India, you'll see the hill. It is not less than at least 5-6 miles area, very big hill. That hill was lifted by him, and he kept that hill in his hand for 7 days. And then everything was cleared. Then Indra prayed him. So there are many things after this. Today, Krishna lifted this hill. That's what his name is, Giridhari. Giridhari means who held the hill. Giri means the hill. And Dhari means one who holds up. So today is that is the annual ceremony of today. This Govardhan Puja. So we follow that principle.
देवराज इंद्र, मैंने देखा आप मुझसे कितना स्नेह करते हैं, अन्यथा मेरे प्रतिकार के बाद भी आप मुझसे मिलने यहाँ क्यों आते?
कृष्ण, प्रतिकार तो मैंने किया है आपका। मैंने बहुत बड़ी मूर्खता की। भूल गया था कि मुझे शक्तियाँ आप ही से प्राप्त होती हैं। मैं सदैव आपका सेवक रहूंगा। मैं आपसे क्षमा मांगता हूँ।
देवराज, आपको अपनी शक्ति का बहुत अभिमान हो गया था और ऐसा मैंने इसलिए किया ताकि आपका अभिमान तोड़ सकूं। जाइए, मैं आपको क्षमा करता हूँ।
So when the things are not practical, that becomes a forbid. If you actually get the result by some spiritual religious rituals, performance, then it is very good. Otherwise it is even superstition. Lord Chaitanya's opinion is that because all these Vedic injunctions, sacrifices, they are not possible to be performed in this age. They are very difficult. There is no expert, a leader to perform all these ceremonies and rituals. Therefore, take to this, Hare Krishna, take to this. There is no need of rituals, there is no need of expenses. Simply, God has given you tongue and God has given you ear. Just go on chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, and it will fulfill your spiritual advance. Similarly, Krishna says, Gyatta agyatya cha karmani janayam anutishtanti. Generally, mass of people, they are ignorant. They perform some religious rituals, knowingly or unknowingly, as a matter of superstition or custom. So, vidusa karma siddhasya. But one who is intelligent, he should know that by this sacrifice I must get the result. Viduso karma siddhasya tatha na viduso bhave. And those are fools. They are simply by superstition they do it. So Krishna did not recommend that you should do something under superstition. No, you must do it for practical result. This dogmatism, fanaticism, why I shall chant Hare Krishna, I am Christian, I am Jews. This is fanaticism. If you find actually ecstasy by chanting Hare Krishna, why should you not? Why should you not? No, I am Jew, I am Christian, I am Mohammedan. Well, it is transcendental vibration from the spiritual platform. Your Mohammedanism, Christianism, Hinduism, Buddhism, this is skin disease. This is because you have got some particular body at particular circumstances, and therefore you claim like that. But actually, we are all spirit soul. And this sound vibration is from the spirit soul. It will appeal to everyone. See the effect. Then, don't be fanatist, don't be, to say, sectarian. The Krishna wants that. Simply, by custom, one should not follow the rituals, one should see the effect.
Shri Shri